Thank you for choosing the Osbon ErecAid Vacuum Therapy System, the easy, safe, and reliable solution for men suffering from erectile dysfunction or ED. The Osbon ErecAid System is a proven, effective solution for erectile dysfunction. It works for more than 9 out of 10 men affected by ED. Just as important, the Osbon ErecAid System is simple and easy to use. In fact, ErecAid is so simple that we can show you everything you need to know in this short video. You'll learn how to assemble the system, load the tension ring, create an erection, maintain your erection with a tension ring, and remove the tension ring after intercourse. We'll begin with a practice session. Let's get started. Practice is important, especially when you're first learning to use the system. During the practice sessions, you'll create an erection, but without using the tension ring to sustain your erection. The Osbon ErecAid System is extremely easy to assemble. First, load the vacuum pump into the cylinder. You may decrease the diameter of the cylinder by using the insert. Now, locate the pump button and the green vacuum release button. The manual model has a pump handle instead of a pump button. Apply Osbon personal lubricant to the first 2 inches inside the cylinder, the rim of the cylinder, and the entire head of your penis. Note that you might want to trim some pubic hair to make sure that you can achieve an airtight seal. Now, hold the cylinder so that the Osbon ErecAid logo and the pump button are facing upward. Place your lubricated penis inside the cylinder. Be sure to hold the cylinder against your body in order to obtain an airtight seal. If you're using the battery-powered system, press the power button on the pump to remove air from the cylinder and begin creating a vacuum. Press the button for several seconds. Then release the button and wait 5 to 10 seconds to allow blood to flow into your penis. If the vacuum pressure increases too quickly, you may feel some discomfort. If you do, stop the pump and press the green vacuum release button. Then restart the process, increasing the vacuum pressure more gradually. Remember that for best results, pump slowly. Turn the pump on again for several seconds, then off again for 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat this on-off procedure until you've achieved an erection. Usually, the penis will lift slightly from the floor of the cylinder when the erection is complete. You will use the same gentle on-off procedure with the manual model, squeezing the pump 2 to 5 times and waiting 5 to 10 seconds between pumps. When you have achieved an erection, press the vacuum release button and remove the cylinder. Repeated practice will help you achieve a firmer erection more quickly and with less vacuum pressure. Once you're comfortable with the Osbon ErecAid System and familiar with how you create an erection, you're ready to use the tension ring to maintain your erection. Begin by removing the pump and insert, if used, from the cylinder, standing the cylinder upright on a flat surface with the large end down. Separate the easy action ring applicator by holding the base of the cone and pushing the button on top of the cap. As you place the cone on the cylinder, twist it so that the white dot on top of the cone and the guide line along the length of the cone line up with the oval groove of the cylinder opposite the ErecAid Esteem logo. Next, select the tension ring that works best for you. Your ErecAid Vacuum Therapy System contains 4 different tension rings, 1 medium and 1 large ring in the standard tension, colored beige, as well as 1 medium and 1 large ring in the high tension, colored pink. Test each tension ring to find the one that's right for you. The correct tension ring will fit comfortably but still have enough tension to restrict the blood flow out of your penis and maintain your erection. Now, lubricate the entire cone surface and place the desired tension ring on the cone, aligning the U-notch of the tension ring with the white dot on the cone. Place the cap back on the cone, making certain that the crossbars on the underside of the cap are aligned with the slots on the top of the cone. Next, quickly and firmly press straight down on the cap with one hand, while holding the cylinder with the other. The tension ring should slide forward until it is loaded in the proper position on the cylinder. Now, remove the applicator and reattach the pump to the cylinder. The power switch should face the ErecAid Esteem logo. For the manual version, be sure to place the handle side of the pump facing away from the logo. You're now ready to create and maintain an erection with the Osbon ErecAid Vacuum Therapy System. Now, use the same steps to create an erection as you did your practice sessions. Lubricate the inside and rim of the cylinder, as well as your penis. Place your penis inside the cylinder with the Osbon ErecAid logo facing upwards. Press the power button for several seconds or squeeze the manual pump handle several times. Allow the blood to flow into your penis for 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat the process until your penis is erect. To maintain your erection, slowly slide the tension ring from the cylinder onto the base of your erect penis, keeping the cylinder snug next to your body. Press the vacuum release button and remove the cylinder. Using the tension ring to maintain your erection for up to 30 minutes, you're now ready for intercourse. When you're finished with intercourse, place a small amount of lubricant in front of the ring. Grasp the outer loops and pull slightly outward. Hold for at least 10 seconds or until the penis loses some firmness. Then pull the ring forward and off. Of course, the amount of time needed will vary. You may need to wait a little longer than 10 seconds before removing the tension ring. Here are a few additional tips that will help you achieve the best results from your Osbon ErecAid system. Remember to hold the cylinder firmly against your body. This will help create the vacuum you need to produce an erection. Allow your erection to develop slowly. Don't try to rush the process. If you lose your erection after you transfer the tension ring, it may mean that you need to increase the tension by using a different ring. Be careful not to allow any air to leak into the cylinder before you transfer the tension ring. This may cause you to lose your erection. And remember, don't leave the tension ring on your penis for longer than 30 minutes. That's all there is to it. But remember, if you experience any problems outside of what we've discussed here, you can call the ErecAid helpline at 1-800-438-8592. Osbon ErecAid, the safe, simple, easy-to-use solution to ED.